Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a program on how to reverse a number. Here is a input 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and the output is 6 5 4 3 2 1. Here is the reverse of the number. Come. Here we have a Java code as well as Python as well as C++ code. I will explain the Java code so that you can understand the C++ as well as Python code. Here the input is num, that is 1 2 3 4, and we will get the output as 4 3 2 1. Let us take a variable reversed initializing with 0. You are printing here the system.out.println, the original number that we has already given 1 2 3 4. Here we will print that number. Now the main logic over here is we will reduce the number from the backwards, number by number. First 4 and then 3 and then 2 and then 1. First we reduce the 4 and append to a variable called reversed, and then coming to the 3 and then 2 and then 1. Come, how do we do? Still the number not equals to 0, the case satisfies because num 1 2 3 4 is not equals to 0. Then we go into the loop. Now a digit variable holds the number, the last part. This is the modular division operator which will deduce the last digit of a number. Now this digit holds 4 integer. Digit has now 4 integer. Now the reversed variable, what it does means, here it is already initialized with 0. 0 star 10 plus 4. 0 star 10 gives rise to 0 plus 4. So the reversed variable consists of 4. It consists of 4. Now num is divided with 10. What this operator does means, it deduces the last and holds the 3 parts, whereas modular division holds only last number. This division operator holds first 3 numbers. Again the loop continues. Now the num consists of 1 2 3. 1 2 3 not equals to 0, so it goes down. Digit value now 1 2 3 modular division with 10. Now it holds the last operator 3, and that reversed operator will already it consists of 4. 4 star 10, 40 plus 3. Now it consists of 43. Okay, reversed consists of 43. It is reversing the number 43 and then 2 1. Now num 1 2 3 is divided with 10. Last part is deduced and it holds only 1 and 2. Again it goes, 12 is not equal to 0. Digit 12 modular division with 10, it holds last part 2. It is reverse number is with 43. 43 into 10, 430 plus 2, 432. Okay, again 1 2 is divided with 10. It deduces the last part and holds the first part 1. Now the num consists of 1. 1 is not equal to 0. 1 modular division with 10. Okay, digit consists of 1. Reversed, 432 into 10 is 4320 plus 1. Okay, the reverse number consists of 4321. Okay, and now 1 divided by 10, it deduces the last part. So 1 is deduced, nothing is there, so num becomes 0. Okay, 0 not equals to 0. No, it loop cancels and it prints. Here it comes off reversed number 4 3 2 1. That's it is printing. Let us run it. Okay, here you got the original number is 1 2 3 4 and the reverse number is 4 3 2 1, as well as the same code in the Python. Again we are going to run it. See, you can see the output over here. We have taken the num as 1 2 3 4 and we initialized a variable with 0 and till the number not equal to 0, we will do the same operation, same logic is applied in the Java program, and we will print it. Same coming when comes to this C++2. Same logic, but initializing and the structure of the program is different. Thank you.